Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install Rocky Linux 10.2 on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to Rocky Linux official website and download. It is rockylinux.org. Then click on download or download, both are same. See here we have the latest version of the 10 series is 10.2. In 9 we have the 9.8. Okay, you can search for my YouTube channel how to install this 9.8 on VirtualBox for my YouTube channel. Okay, click on Rocky Linux 10. See here we have the three types of downloads: DVD, boot ISO, minimal ISO. I am going to download this DVD ISO. If you click on this one, it will be the direct download. If you want to download by using torrent, you have to click on this torrent. It is up to you. Then click on download DVD ISO. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is about 9.5 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox, then search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Now click on new or go to machine and select new to create new virtual machine. Then provide the name for the virtual machine. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the folder to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on drop down and select other. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Then select the downloaded ISO file. Select Rocky Linux DVD ISO. Then click on open. See, once you selected, we change it to Linux OS distribution to Red Hat because we don't have the Rocky Linux here. Okay. Then OS version. See, we have to select the latest version from this list. Then click on next. Now we have to configure the hardware. That is virtual hardware. I am giving 4 gigabytes memory. Number of CPU equals 2. And virtual hard disk size I am giving 100 gigabytes. These are all based on availability and requirements. Then click on next. See, this is the virtual machine summary. If you want to modify any one of these settings, then click on back and you can edit. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, just select it and click on settings, or go to machine and select settings, or right click on it and select settings. All three options are same. The only option that I want to change is click on settings, then go to system. Here change the pointing device to USB tablet. Then click on OK. Then click on start. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is install Rocky Linux 10.2 and hit enter. Now select the language and click on continue. See, the installation is created. Why? Because the options that are marked with red color must be filled or configured. So installation destination, I am okay with the default, so click on done. Root account, see, root account is disabled. You want to enable it, it is up to you. Then set the password for root account. Re-enter the same. Click on done. Want to create user, click on user creation. Then provide user full name. This is the username. If you want some other, you can provide. Keep both the checkboxes. Add administrative privilege to this user account. Require a password. Advanced. Okay. I'm okay with the home directory and all. Click on OK. Click on done. Installation source, I'm going with the defaults. Software selection, see here by default it has selected server with GUI. If you want server, you can select server, whatever you want you can select, but I'm going with the server with GUI. See, once we selected these options, see, once we selected base environment, these additional software selection environment options are changing. Okay, so whatever you want you can select. Then click on done. If you are okay with all the settings, remaining options I am not going to change. I am going to keep all as it is. Suppose if you want to change the keyboard and language support, time and date, just you need to click on and you can change. Okay, I am okay with all these, so click on begin installation. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post necessary steps. Meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation completed. Now click on Reboot System. Click on username and provide the password that we have set for this user. Skip. Now open terminal. Increase the font size. Now verify the version mos/etc os-release. See, we have installed Rocky Linux standard. Press space. Now we have to update the packages. Sudo dnf update ampersand sudo dnf upgrade. Hit enter. Then provide the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the sudo user. Hit enter. See, it is going to install 5 packages and upgrading 217 packages. Type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. Okay, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Rocky Linux 10.2 on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.